guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a CISA 5-pin oval cylinder lock. It does have working keys. That's the bitting on the key. I hope you can see that. Key working nicely. Drawn out and locked up. Start with very light tension with this. As it drops into little falsets, I apply a little bit more tension. Start at the front, gently work to the back. Dropped over into a little falset now. Sometimes you've got to really drive down on that back pin to get the lock open. Took its time, but it's picked open. What I'll probably do is cut and gut this after the video and add photographs. So that's the CISA 5-pin oval cylinder lock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.